Hello. My name is Dr. Dimitrios Kostopoulos, and I'm the co-founder of Hands-On Diagnostics, HODS, and the director of the HODS Residency Program in Clinical Electrophysiology. First and foremost, I want to personally thank you for your interest in HODS. The fact that you are exploring this opportunity tells me that you are a forward-thinking clinician, someone who is not only committed to clinical excellence, but also determined to build a better future for your practice and for the physical therapy profession as a whole. The HODS associate you recently spoke with has provided you with a series of short but highly informative videos. I strongly encourage you to watch these videos in their entirety before reviewing the financial aspects of the opportunity or making any decisions about joining us. Well, why is that? Why is this important? Because we want every private practice owner who considers joining HODS to fully understand our mission, our vision, and the profound impact that diagnostic testing can have on patient outcomes, professional satisfaction, and practice growth. We are not simply a business model. We are a movement of like-minded practitioners committed to clinical innovation, business success, and elevating the status of physical therapy in the healthcare landscape. Most of the videos are under 30 minutes each, with just one being slightly longer. Watching them will give you the clarity and confidence you need to decide whether HODS is the right fit for you. It's essential that you resonate with our values of evidence-based practice, collaborative learning, and entrepreneurship. Our founders, faculty, mentors, and business associates are deeply passionate about what we do and would be honored to welcome someone like you into our growing network. Take the time to watch the videos carefully, and I look forward to the possibility of meeting you soon. Thank you.